I'm Tom.
I'm Linda.
I'm Milo. I'm Poppy. I'm Evelyn.
I'm going to create the video that you guys just saw. And from seeing it, the objective is to make all my characters talk. So this is a new tool that it's probably new to you, but I've had it for about 3 years now. Video Express AI 3.0. And it's almost like every 6 months they actually upgrade to a different version for us. So I don't mess around with these features right here. Under the My Purchases, as you can see, I've purchased All Access button here. We went on the public library. This is where you can see other users' videos that they created for inspiration. And also, what kind of prompts do they use to actually generate those videos as well? Let's go to play a few of them. Okay, so I'll play this one.
I am not against all the Muslims, but I love them should be deported back where they came from. They're going against us, the one that destroyed this country.
You could choose to have audio in it or audio out with just regular emojis in. See, I mean, they are snappy. And go just see this person. So stuff like that is really impressive. Like I say, when it comes down to like a story or a character, this is definitely a nice, it's definitely up there. I don't know what that was about right there. But of course let me take a look at this RAM. So I feel like the audio is a little bit crappy because it has this little hissing noise. Let's say that you like this video right here.
Oh, have you forgotten your line?
You got me.
Skip it then. Let's go anyway.
Here's the prompt that was used for that video. Just copy this prompt and use it for your own image here. I actually, instead of use it, let me go back here. But this is my trick to get rid of that hissing noise in the audio. Instead of using this timeline right here, I actually, once I get all my images, I actually download all my stuff, all my content to the computer, and actually upload it to CapCut. It really hears a noise because this is the original version, right? I go to a enhanced voice. So this is the original version. This is how it sounds.
Salut les vieux. Je suis Christina, l'héroïne du clip de la chanson Luxury Life.
So then I got this video from Video Express AI, from the public library. But then hissing noise really bothers me. So I go to audio, and here I'm going to enhance voice. And actually, this is how it sounds now.
Je suis Christina, Salut les vieux.
The hissing noise is gone. So then that's how I normally do it. I normally have to take it over to another software. But so this is the prompt that I use for these videos right here. I go to details. It's the prompt right here. I actually use the same prompt for the image prompt that I use for the video prompt here. And my voice is not perfect every time. But this is a one-time purchase software. There's no credits at all. You can generate as many times as you want to generate. There is a limit. I think about 200 videos, something like that per day, I believe. But this is a one-time purchase software. No credits involved, you guys. Want this software? I'm going to leave a link in the description. I do earn a small commission when you guys sign up through my affiliate link at no additional cost to you at all. That shows support to the channel and help us continue to write content, create content like this. So I'm going to play this. So I use Perplexity to actually give it a prompt at this point, tell it to update it. Update to re-identify the characters. I probably want to get rid of the waving stuff as well because this says wave after. That's a distraction a little bit. Let me go ahead and unlock all. This is how I did it. You go down to, once you on homepage here inside the software, you go down to create with AI. Go to create video from prompt, right? I go to upload my own image here. As you can see, images. This is the image that I have and I'm going to use. Just hit upload. It uploads the image here. Choose it. I'm going to use the same image prompt as the video prompt as well. Might go to lip sync here. I was not going to go to automatically enhance image prompt because I'm not even real worried about the image at all. But generate video. Right here, I'm going to use video prompt here and the actors here. Two actors. But what I want to do is the best results that I've actually got from this software were when I add the guy speaking as actor 1.
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda.
I'm Milo.
I'm Poppy.
Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. So it, in this video prompt, identifies what he's saying as well. And this is our response here. and it's identifying who everybody else is inside the script. So I'm going to leave that right there. I'm going to leave this like that. So, and unfortunately, you already get actually allowed to have an unlimited creations on this plan right here. So let me go ahead and run this to see how it does. We're going to hear it right there because this comes down to it. And like I say, I'm playing around with this to see what works better. I didn't even read this to see see how it identified my characters. But you can see in some cases, it actually still did what I wanted it to do. And this has just been coming up for a few demonstrations, as you can see. I always use this expand button right here. It gives you the whole entire layout here. And as you can see, I ran it a few times just for the sake of this video, just to get it right. And this is the first try I got right here. Evelyn was supposed to speak Hella, but she didn't. But this is the second version. So I wanted to everybody speak at the same time, and that did really good. So that was a better result right there. And this is the same prompt that I used for this. I put the details here. As you can see, this is my image that I've actually created inside Google Flow. And I put the same image prompt right here and the video prompt that I gave it here as well. And this was where automatic up with that was automatic. Let me go in this one right here. This is the demo. So this one was pretty good too. He just wanted to mimic an Evelyn talking. There were those tests that was pretty good.
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda.
I'm Milo. I'm Poppy. I'm
The prompt that went down, the prompt that we used for that one right there
We're the Giggleberries.
was the same exact prompt. I just rebranded it.
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda.
I'm Linda. I'm Milo. I'm Poppy.
I'm Evelyn.
So as it is right here, it's finished generating. While this is generating, I'm going over to the public gallery again to see what kind of videos are over here if you want I create it. Just want to see a few other things, see if I still got the man with the wallet. Let's see what this is about.
What is gravity?
Cody, gravity is an invisible force that pulls things toward the Earth.
Like a magnet?
Very similar. Watch this.
Whoa! Why didn't it float away?
That was very interesting. Somebody is making a full-blown cartoon from here. So Cody Actor 1. This is a video prompt right here that they used. And he could have used the old image here as well. So again, with this prompt brands, prompt style, let's say we just go ahead and just download this for a second. Let's go in and save image as, right? Watch this. We'll go ahead and copy that prompt, right? That video prompt. But instead, this has been generated already here. So we're going to create this AR here. Upload image. Image upload. Add files. Keep the image right there. Upload the file here. We'll choose known. Let's go to effects mode and go down to 10 seconds. There's no in this prompt, it's really necessary. This is a video audio prompt right here. Cody Actor 1, welcome to Confess Labs, etc., etc., etc. Let's go here and create video, 10 seconds left. See what it's going to do. I should have changed the lines up, made it look more interesting. But let's go and see if it's going to create the same exact video that they had. So this video right here was completed faster than I thought. So let's go ahead and play this video.
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda.
I'm Milo. I'm Poppy. I'm Evelyn.
So it gave him all the lines. How many details here? Ba, 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 ba. So the video prompt, this changes a little bit. Look, I guess on the automatic tip.
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda. I'm Linda. I'm Milo. I'm Poppy.
You're going to see something. I always go to expand, like I said, because I can see not what plan. Where's my image at? Where's my image? Ooh, am I at this one here? Library here. Let's see how it lip sync. Places for year was formed on. I really don't get if it's prompt because I don't need it if it's not generate actor 1 yet, actor 2, image prompt here. I'm sorry, video prompt here. So it gives him the life that, is he company here? Brown Deshawn workers are still the best bid I've done, actually. See how this was just a video prompt here? So that's just a video prompt in general, but it's not giving me nothing else. Right at redesign. Let me see sound. I'm right at redesign. Redesigned it and it'd be right there. So what it basically telling me that this is the video prompt though that was used for, that was the image that was generated for it as well. Ran into some, let me see. Then I go to text to video here and go to events. Go ahead and just paste the script in here. Ben Small banging. This is automatic. Think I have this inside out. We'll generate video like that. See, I wanted to do landscape. Let's go generate another one. Forget about. All right, so he's generating right here. I did like it when this came out, but as you can see, this one takes a while to actually generate. You get the prompt right. You get the prompt down correctly. But one of these is close enough for me to use. Like I say, I'm just pushing the software to another heights. To the eye, the greater heights. That's how them know I have. This one, we keep it really dead. That came out really good. This is almost like a SOAR video, which is pretty cool. If I should keep this in the image right here, I can actually hear both when I'm talking back and forth here. I ain't gonna put that towel out. Details, jumps, enter for this prompt. It was for air. Also, we get the regenerate here, and then change up and add more lines, you know?
I'm Tom.
I'm Linda. I'm Milo.
Let's go and play around with that wallow and put our last video to generate right there with advanced mode. Going now with 10 seconds. All right, there we be, yo.
Yo, real quick, what's the craziest thing you've seen on this street?
Yo mama, bitch.
That was just only from text to video. Was right there, you could see. And I just went to events. Okay, text to video here. I want to advance and just just paste the prompter right there and give me that video right there. Make sure you add the 10 seconds there. Aspect ratio changes as well. Now I wanted to see what this was here. The prompt that I used for this one. Let's do the same thing. Let's go to video here. The one that I had was this one here, 0002. We'll redesign. We're going to redesign it. 16:9, no actors and nothing like that. There you are. This is what I went back to. Okay, this here is it right here. So this is my whole entire script. This is actor 1, actor 2. They go out chasing birds right here. So I'm leaving it right there. Oh, let's go, see what it gave us. I don't think I put anything inside of that one right there at all. I probably shouldn't have edited that fast, but you can see the general prompt that I use for that one right there. You guys are seeing this one already. So that was pretty cool, what it just did. I like that right there. Right there, I guess, yeah, following it in the software is pretty cool.
Professor Lambert, what is gravity?
Well, Cody, gravity is an invisible force that pulls things toward the Earth.
Like a magnet?
Very similar. Watch this.
Whoa! Why didn't it float?
Again, there's going to be a link in the description if you guys want to get the software here. I just want to do just a quick tutorial as far as how I've been using it and playing around with it. It's all about trial and error with this software. The fact remains that it is a one-time purchase software, so you don't have to worry about credits at all. And that's pretty cool, you know? If you do want to know the pricing, take a look at the vid, the first link in the description, and see about the pricing and everything. It's your call. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, here it is. It finished the meme. I'll tell you real fast.
What do you mean? You're my mom? Yo mama, bitch.
So that's that hissing noise I was telling you about when I was just telling you guys how to get rid of that hissing noise. But I should have used actually the same clip or the same frame from this one to keep it consistent. But I will do it with you guys when we do another video. As far as how to use the same frame, make it consistent, make long form videos. Just comment below and I'll leave it and I'll create a video for you guys. Until next time, my friends.